work to take care of everything.
Got you. How long?
Mind the way the house looks.
No, it's okay.
It's a mess.
You guys have a timeline on when you plan on moving out, or?
That's all up to Mr. William and Tommy.
Okay. How y'all doing? All right. Where's the dog at? It's in the back?
Yeah, he's in the backyard.
Okay.
The last guy was here a little while ago. He walked right past the guy and won't even. I mean, he looks very ferocious, but he's not.
It's alright. It's alright. I'm a pass. How many bedrooms is upstairs?
It's one in the front, one in the back, and a middle bedroom.
Can you show me?
Yeah. Just so don't mind the way everything looks. Everything's a total mess. Yeah. We've been here for a couple of days, so we're still getting electric work out and everything else. So.
Gotcha.
The dog had run the house for almost a month.
Oh
So
man.
he pooped on the floor, so we're getting all that cleaned while I am anyway.
Gotcha.
Back bedroom, middle, and then the front bedroom.
Okay. Gotcha. So this is like a middle bedroom.
Yes.
Okay.
But a lot of people do, they take the back bedroom, take the bathroom out,
Yeah.
and make the bathroom in the middle here.
Yeah, I saw that.
Yeah, a lot of people, that's the way they're doing a lot of houses.
I saw that.
Make that room bigger and put the bathroom in this area somewhere.
So where's the bathroom at upstairs? Up here.
Right here. Right here, the door hang left.
Oh, it's tight.
Sit, shower, and shave all at the same time today.
Yeah, it's tight. It's tight. Okay. All right, cool. All right, that's pretty much it. I appreciate
the
that.
basement, the dog shit in the basement. I just found that out when the last gentleman was here a little while ago. So that's something else I gotta clean there.
No, it's all right. Don't worry about it.
All right, you good?
Yeah, I'm good. Thanks so much.
Appreciate it.
All right. How long you guys been trying to sell it?
I'm not even sure. I didn't even know he was until yesterday.
Oh, wait, you guys rent or?
The woman inside, the one that's skinny, she owns it.
Oh.
She don't own it. Her and her son own it. But her son is taking care of all the paperwork and doing
Got you. So
and
if he sells it, where's she gonna go?
I don't know. That's between him and Mr. William. They got I think his name's William. I might be mistaken. And they're just.
Who's Mr. William?
I don't know.
Is Mr. William?
Glenn. What was the guy's name that we were talking to? The older gentleman. No, not Glenn. Guy over here. Mr. Williams.
That's like somebody that wants to buy it, or like a potential
I'm
investor.
not even sure.
Got you. But he came to look at it. Mr. William came to look at it. Oh, okay. Got you. Okay.
He said he was sending a couple guys over.
Oh yeah. Got you.
Yeah, 'cause I just found all this out last night, so I'm still catching up.
Yeah, because I'm worried about Miss Lynn. Like, because if they sell it, where would she go?
Right. I
Hold
think
on
he
one
got a
second.
Contract where he got time to
Oh,
do
okay.
everything.
Hello?
Hi.
Yes.
So I did check in this for you. Ideally, the schedule changes in the system, so it's been moved to Monday. Is Monday okay for you?
What time?
The same time, within 1 p.m. to 3 p.m.
That's perfect.
Great. All right, thank you. Let me confirm that. I'll be back shortly.
All right, thanks. All right. So does she need like 30 days to leave, or
I don't know. He said something about a year.
she needs a year? That
He
makes
said
sense.
they got a thing in the contract drawn up to where to give his mom time. She's actually going blind. That's why we're here to help her be able to get situated and everything else.
Got you. Okay. Well, I'll talk to Mr. William and figure out the next best steps.
All right. That'd be the best thing to
I
do.
wish she has a speedy recovery.
I'm telling you. I hope she does.
Yeah, well, hey, you're doing your part, man.
All right.
I appreciate you.
All right, bro. Be safe.
You too.